Hello students, welcome to your English grammar class. Today we are going to start with the new topic, adverbs. Okay, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies the meaning of a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Okay, in this video I'll be briefing you all on the topics which are to be covered in this chapter and helping you solve the exercise. For the explanation part of this chapter, I have already shared the link. Kindly view that. Okay, so let's begin with exercise A. Read the passage given below. Circle the adverbs and underline the words that modify it. Okay, so please read the passage carefully. So what is it modifying? Reads. Okay, read. Okay, so carefully is an adverb. Read the passage at least twice. So read, and you have to underline read and circle at least and twice. Write correct answers neatly. You have to circle neatly. You have to submit in your notebook. You have to submit your notebook today. So today you have to circle today, and submit you have to underline. Do this exercise silently. So silently is again an adverb. Okay, so second one you can do on your own. Now kinds of adverb. Adverb of manner. What is an adverb of manner? Adverb of manner are adverb of manner show how or in what manner an action takes place. Then next is adverb of place. So what is adverb of place? Adverb of place shows where something has happened, where something happens. Adverb of time. Adverb of time shows when and at what time work is done. Adverb of frequency show how often or how frequently an action takes place. Adverb of degree show to what degree or to what extent an action takes place. Interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask about manner, degree, frequency, place, time of an action. Okay. Then position of adverb in the sentence. There are three positions: front, middle and end. The adverb is placed at the beginning of the sentence. The adverb is placed before the main verb. The adverb is placed at the end of a sentence. You all can read this for your reference. Now moving on to exercise B. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write their kind also. Usain Bolt ran fast. Okay, so how? So that will be in what manner? So that will be adverb of manner. Fast is adverb of manner. Raja Harishchandra never told a lie. Never, so that shows adverb of frequency. They seldom come here. Seldom is adverb of frequency, and here is adverb of place. Now in this exercise C, use the adverbs given in the brackets at the proper place and write the sentences. My mother goes for a walk. So you have to use daily in this sentence that is given. So my mother goes for a walk daily. Mary talks in the classroom. You have to add always. Mary always talks in the classroom. Try doing these on your own. Moving on to exercise D. Use adverbs and adjectives appropriately given in each pair of the sentence. Okay, so you have to see that you have to use an adverb or an adjective. My friend is driving the car slowly or slow. Slowly is the adverb of manner. In what way? So slowly. My friends drive the car at a slow speed. So here it is an adjective. The moon was shining brightly. How? In what manner? So brightly. The night was dash because it was full moon. So bright. So here it is doing the work of an adjective. Try doing the remaining questions on your own. Then moving on to exercise E. Write the following sentences again after using the adverb in them according to the hints in the brackets. Again you have to use this, and according to the hint given you have to put an adverb. Okay, like for example, Sahil left for Moscow, adverb of time. So which word describes adverb of time over here? Yes, yesterday. Sahil left for Moscow yesterday. Das speaks French. Now frequency. So Das speaks French fluently. Try doing these on your own. The last exercise for today is exercise F. Insert adverb given in the brackets to at proper place in the following sentence. Okay, you have to insert this in the sentence. Have you seen a real lion? So you have to put ever. So have you ever seen a real lion? Second one, Angad goes for a movie on Saturdays, and you have to use usually in this sentence. Angad usually goes for a movie on Saturdays. This tea is cold. You have to use this word rather. The tea is rather cold. Okay, try doing the remaining ones on your own. So your task for today is to do exercise A, exercise B, C and D, also E and F. In case if you all have any doubts, you all can contact me. Thank you.